Today I will show you how to change mobile ringtone. So first of all, you need to download a song from Google. So here I am typing today एक परदेसी मेरा दिल ले गया ringtone. There is a website called ringtonehome.com. You can click here and here is your ringtone. You can play it. Now you can download here. Let's open it and play again. Okay, now you have to go to the setting, then find out sound and notification option, and then phone ringtone option. Click on that phone ringtone option. Then you have to go to the setting called add ringtone and select the song. Click on OK button. Then OK. Let me show how it works. Let's hope if someone calls me. Thank you for watching.